whales on the lake here. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, look at Tony out of there. There's fucking snow flying up at us.
You should probably get out here and drink some whiskey then. Bobby, we're cruising down the middle of the lake right now in the truck. Get your fucking truck, get your trailer, and your quad, and get out here.
Heading to the end of the lake.
Wow, okay, well next week is still going to be here, but yeah, this is the first right now. The snow, the lake is white in about an hour and a half. It's going to be moved up like crazy. We're going to High Lake by truck right now. Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to come again in our radio.
Grab pole.
Boats and hoes, call the Arabs. If this boat goes down, grab my dick because it floats.
Will you rest up and we'll see what happens next week?